Having a trust is not enough to just avoid probate. You have to retitle your property within the trust. Hi, I'm Alec Goslin, an attorney at Yanowitz Law Firm, where we've been assisting families with trusts, estate, and probate for the last 30 years. Some people think, I signed my trust. Now I'm all done. And so I'm all good to go. I don't need to do anything else. Well, I like to tell clients that signing trust is the first step. The second step is going to be retitling all of your assets into the name of the trust. Usually what that means is you're going to be contacting institutions and getting forms and then filling those forms out to put the assets in your trust. And whenever we meet with clients to get a trust planned, we give them specific instructions on how everything needs to be worded and what they need to do to retitle their property in the name of the trust. At that point, it's mostly kind of just going through the motions and updating maybe the brokerage accounts, some of the cash accounts, and retitling those in the names of the trust. And then we're also updating the beneficiary designations on life insurance and any other accounts as well. There's three ways to go about updating these forms and updating the accounts and the beneficiary designations. The first is that you can do it yourself. So this is when you're going to be filling out the forms. If you have questions on the forms, we are more than happy to answer any of those questions. All you need to do is highlight what your question is. You can take a picture of the form. You can email that to us. You can scan it to us. But essentially, you can ask your question, and then we're going to give you an answer to your question with what needs to be done. The second option that we offer our clients is called Check My Work, which this is where you fill out all the forms, you submit everything, and if you have questions while you're filling the forms out, you can ask those questions to us. But essentially, you submit everything to the institution, and then you get confirmation, and you give that confirmation to us. We take a look at all the forms and the confirmation, and we tell you, okay, was this done correctly? Does it look right? If it doesn't look correct, we tell you, hey, this needs to be changed to this. Maybe you missed a date here. So this is essentially kind of a check method of you doing the work, but then we're just reviewing it. And we'll work with you as much as we need to make sure that what you're submitting and what the institution gives back is correct. The third option is called the total care package. This is essentially where we do everything possible on your behalf. So that means we're going to be the ones filling out the forms. You're going to be coming in and signing them once they're complete, but we will be the ones who are submitting them to the institutions and asking for confirmation to verify that they followed our instructions and they have retitled everything correctly. Sometimes with the total care package, we may need you to obtain a certain form for us. We have a large database of a variety of different forms at a variety of institutions. That being said, there's a lot of institutions out there. So we may need you to get a specific form if we don't have that one in our database. But other than that, with the total care package, we've really tried to involve you in the least amount possible. So thank you so much for your attention. And if you'd like our help in transferring any assets to your trust or have questions with the process, we are more than happy to help. We're here to get it right. We're here to help ease the burden and take the stress off of you. So you can give us a call at 507-252-8997, and we'd be happy to help.